One of the step-down automobiles here. This one's a 1950 Hudson Commodore four-door sedan, just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. This body style was kind of known as that low and sleek look, and Hudson dubbed it the step-down automobile in the late 40s, I believe it was. Underneath the hood, inline six-cylinder, 232 cubic inches. It's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Overdrive switches to the left of the steering column. Let's take a look at this chrome and bright work. A few things I want to point out in this car. You can see we do have a little bit of pitting as far as the chrome on that bumper. So chrome does show its age a little bit, as well as the paint. I'll get into that in just a bit. First off, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, as far as paint, it has a nice shine to it. There's just some areas where it shows its age a little bit. A little discoloration on the hood. I'll kind of point some of those spots out as we go around. This is one of those cars you can get in the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Fun car to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, just take out and drive. And like I said, it won't cost you in the 30, 40, 50,000 range. Wide white walls. Of course, Hudson wheel covers. There you get the logo on the side of it, Commodore 6 for engine size. Commodore being the model, and of course the four-door sedan. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer peek at this interior. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, so you can kind of go for a virtual ride, if you will. See how it goes down the road. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see a little hickey's been fixed on that rear bumper, and again, maybe some of the bright work, a little bit of pitting on it. In the still pictures too, you're going to see some miscellaneous parts that'll go with it, a few. I know there's a plug wire. There's a cap for the rotor. A few things like that. Check out the still pictures. And again, those can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Some recent service work done in this vehicle, fresh oil change and filter. All 4 wheel cylinders have been serviced and replaced, as well as the master cylinder, front brakes, front and rear brake hoses. So like I said, it's one of those, get in, turn the key, have some fun, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like some of these post-war cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that right online or off our showroom floor. So I wanted to point out there's a crack in the rear windows, passenger side also, as well as the driver's side. Nothing that's going to stop you from taking this car down the road and having some fun. Get a good look at the paint over here on the driver's side. Let's check out this interior a little closer. All right, how cool is that door panel? Of course, interior. Looks like the seats have been redone. Look like any major rips, tears, holes. And look at the chrome and the bright work on the interior of these. Of course, push button start. Still is a 6-volt system, which is how it would have came back in 1950 when it rolled out the showroom floor of your local Hudson dealer. All right. Turn the key on. Pump it a little bit. Got the push button right here. Make sure we're neutral. closes nicely. Let's come around to the back and take a listen. Again, inline 6-cylinder, about 232 cubic inches. I also wanted to point out, headliner here while I'm thinking about it, is separating a little bit in the back. I want to point that out. Look at the room in there. So you got friends, grandkids, family. Want to take for a ride? Not a problem in this one. All right, I am going to pop this hood a second. The hood release is inside the cab or the interior of the vehicle. So let me get this hood popped, just take a peek at that engine bay, and like I said, stick around to the very end. We'll do a little drive with this car too and show you how it goes down the road. Get a look at the underside of the hood and that engine bay. Optima 6-volt battery disconnect for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Pretty smooth runner, no doubt about that. (1950) Hudson Commodore 4-door sedan. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pics. What a cool, sleek look. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1950 Hudson Commodore. Very cool car. That sloping, what you might call a fastback rear end on this car. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Here's your speedometer. Looks like a giant face clock. Very cool. Believe it or not, it would track you up to 110 miles an hour if you could get there. Nice running car. Second to third there. Third is a nice deep gear, so you get a little bit of low RPMs while you're cruising down the highway. Fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Temperature almost 1/4. Here's our speedometer again, and we're doing just about 50, right on the 5. Over here, another large face clock, same style as the speedometer, very cool. I do not see that moving, but clock equipped. You got an ashtray, wiper switch. The wipers do work on this car. Such great styling, something different. Something a little different than the Chevys and the Fords of the day. A lovely sound of that factory horn working as it should. A little slack in the steering as you might expect from this era of car. Still easy to drive, easy to steer. We'll go to second for the roundabout. Cloth bench seating in this car, very comfortable. Corners nicely. Luxurious in the corners. Plenty of torque to pull this car along down the road. Something you don't see every day. You've seen the animated movie Cars, you've seen a car similar to this. There was Hudson in that car show. Take a look at all the pictures and learn what you want to know about this 1950 Hudson Commodore at UniqueClassicCars.com.